Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're talking about a phenomenal win on ZEC. You can see the charts right now. We called the top of that move perfectly, and the price dumped a clean 25%. This is why my lines are so accurate. The price action played out exactly as predicted, confirming the reversal from the ATH resistance zone. Now, I have to be honest, I closed too early on this one, but even by closing early, we locked in massive profit. What about you? Did you FOMO and lose, or did you trust the process and secure those gains? This is a key lesson. Even when you cut a trade short, trusting the original bearish signal is what saves your capital. Should I update again on ZEC? Let me know. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at our trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.